Alright. So, I don't know, dude. I'm kind of like, I'm not ready for it. You know what I'm saying? Actually, it's kind of nice today, dude. You know why? Because I drove through the whole parking lot, down the whole river. I didn't see a single car today. What is the temperature? It's like 20 degrees. It feels like 10 or something.
Yeah, it's not good.
The real feel's 10. We had to stop using slip bobbers and switch. He fished for like 3 minutes waiting for me to get here, and look at that, just ice. So that's the program today, is we're gonna be fighting the ice, and we're not gonna be fighting the crowds, which is that's important. I'd rather fight ice than crowds. So we got the whole river to ourselves pretty much today, and we're getting a little late start because it was a little too cold this morning. So see if we can get a couple fish today. Was that good, Ryan?
Yeah, it's good.
There it is. Nice steal. Nice steal, bro.
Go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah. That was a beauty, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Hell yeah. Sick colors on it. Perfect, buddy. All right, 20 degrees out. Not a lot of crowds on the river. And that's the reward you get. Big buck steelhead. Let him go right here. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Kinda don't like it up here. Feels dead. It feels dead. It looks. I lied. I lied. I lied. I lied, buddy. I guess I do like it here. Nice spawned out Mama Brown. Just as I was saying I didn't like it here, I guess I do like it here. Oh. Oh.
Bruh.
That's all right. We've seen it. We'll take it. Wasn't a very big Mama Brown. That's cool. We'll take that. I don't know. I'm not even that bummed I lost that one. Usually when I lose a fish, when I lose one, I'm really sad, but I don't know. I'm all right with it that time. There we go. There she is. Nice little brown. Head shakes. In the basket. So, been bouncing around the river all day. Lost one nice brown not too long ago. Just landed this little buck. Let him go. He's still pretty healthy. Nice release. Whew, that makes your hands cold. It's worth it. Not a bad day on the river today, guys. Really cold day on the river. I hooked 3 fish. I ended up landing 2 of them, so it wasn't a bad day. So not bad. The next videos you'll see is going to be ice fishing, so stay tuned and subscribe.